Introducing the stunning 2021 Mercedes-benz E-class E 211D27741 Estate in grey. This luxurious 5-door auto is packed with top-of-the-line features, from air conditioning to satellite navigation to ambient lighting. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and anti-collision system. The interior boasts luxury trim and a refrigerated storage compartment. With chrome package, roof rails and a spoiler, this vehicle is as stylish as it is secure. The vehicle also includes a powertrain warranty and anti-corrosion warranty for added peace of mind, with a full multi-point health and safety check and servicing to manufacturer spec. This Mercedes is ready for the road. Call us or visit michaelmoore.ie for more details.